In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share audio on Skype. Skype is a versatile platform that allows you to connect with friends, family, and colleagues through calls, video chats, and even meeting functionalities. One of its handy features is the ability to share your system's audio while you're on a call or in a meeting. This can be useful for presenting a PowerPoint, sharing a video, or even playing music during a gathering. Let's dive right in and explore how to effectively use this feature. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Skype website. Like many of us, if you prefer not to download additional software, Skype offers a convenient in-browser experience. Once you're there, look for the option that says Open Skype in Browser. If you're not already signed into your account, you'll be prompted to do so. Signing in is straightforward. Just enter your Skype credentials and you're good to go. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main page of Skype for web. Now, you'd want to start or join a meeting where you plan to share audio. Navigate to the calls section. Here you'll see various options, but what we're interested in today is the Meet Now feature. Meet Now is a quick way to either start a new meeting or join an existing one without needing to schedule it in advance. Click on Meet Now and then choose Join a Meeting if you're entering a pre-existing meeting. If you're starting a new one, just proceed without entering a meeting link. Once you've either joined or started a meeting, it's time to get to the main event audio sharing. In your meeting window, you'll want to start your call, look for the Start Call button and give it a click. Now with your call up and running, locate the share screen option at the bottom right corner of your screen. The screen sharing feature in Skype is not just limited to visuals, but also allows you to share the audio playing on your computer. Click on Share Screen, and here's the crucial part, make sure to turn on audio sharing. This will ensure that not just the visuals on your screen, but the sounds as well, will be shared with the other participants in your Skype call or meeting. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effortlessly share audio on Skype during your calls or meetings, making for a more interactive and engaging experience. Remember, the quality of the audio shared will greatly depend on your internet connection and the system's native sound capabilities. So ensure you're set up well to have the best experience possible. Sharing audio on Skype can enhance your meetings, presentations, and virtual gatherings by making them more inclusive and interactive. Whether it's for work or play, mastering this feature will definitely add a new dimension to your Skype calls. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you share not just moments, but the sounds that make them memorable.